Today, we will show how to circle a word in Google Docs. So, let's go. First, open Google Docs. Then, tap on the Insert option. From the list, click on the drawing. And tap on the New. Now, the drawing tool will open. Tap on the shape. Under the shapes, select Oval. Draw the circle according to your need. Double-click on the circle to add the text. Put the text that you want to add. To center the text, tap on the three-dot icon. Then, under Align, select the Align Center option. You can also add circle color, text size, and more with the above option. After that, click on Save and Close. Now, you will see that you successfully circle a word in Google Docs. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.